Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on minus 5's formula, the easiest formula we have. So, where are we going to apply the formula of minus 5? Where we won't have enough beats left to do minus 5. So, let's start with the B row and you are going to do the A row in homework. Okay, and if you have any doubt, then you can let me know. We are going to do B row in classwork. First question at 2. Then add 8. I don't have enough bits to do add 8 here, so I will apply the formula of 8, that is plus 10 minus 2. Add 8 is done. Now minus 5. Do I have enough bits to do minus 5? No. So I will apply the formula that I learned today, that is minus 10 plus 5. And then I have plus 5 again in my question. So formula of plus 5 plus 10 minus 5. Answer is 10. Though this is easy, but don't get confused in the plus and minuses formula, okay? Next, 10 minus 5. Do I have enough bits to do minus 5? No. So what is the formula of minus 5? Minus 10 plus 5 and then minus 4. Do I have enough bits to do minus 4? No. So formula of minus 4, minus 5 plus 1 and then plus 4. Do I have enough beats to do plus 4? No. So formula of 4 plus 5 minus 1. My answer is 5. Next, add 10 minus 5. Do I have beats to do minus 5? No. So formula of minus 5, minus 10 minus 5, then minus 1. Again, no beats. So formula of minus 1, minus 5 plus 4, and then plus 5. My answer is 9. Next, 11 less 5. No beats, so formula minus 10 plus 5, then minus 1, then minus 5. Our answer is 0. Minus 5 plus 5, these are the one of the easiest formula. You can know and you can score marks. Next, 15 minus 5, again minus 5, no beats, so formula minus 10 plus 5, then at last again minus 5. My answer is 0 again. Okay, interesting question. Okay, I hope it was clear, guys. Okay, now arrow will be your homework and we are going to check your homework in the comments. Okay, I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.